Hey guys, what's up? Gaurav Gurbaksani here. Just realized that I was on mute all this time. So want to make sure that you can see me, you can hear me. We are good to go. Welcome to the 1st of July, the second half of 2022. So just let me know in the chat if we are good to go, if you can hear, if you can see my screen. Everything is good. I'm super duper excited to show you what we've been working on for the last 6 months. Thanks, guys. Good morning, Sonia. Nice to see you all. Thanks for joining in again on short notice. We didn't really want to overpopulate like the first meeting because, sometimes our server gets overloaded and stuff like that. So what we're going to be doing is jumping in straight into the meat of the festival. And initially, we plan to do the Digital Market Festival for 7 days. And we will do it for 7 days. Though what I really wanted the objective to be is that you walk away with, a business that you are like, wow, I never had this before. And now this is everything that I needed. And I'm ready to go and rock the end of 22 in a really, really awesome fashion. So I'm going to share screens with you. I'm first going to give you a demo. Then I'm going to give you a checklist. I'm going to give you a checklist. And then step by step, we're going to be setting up 5 businesses over the course of the next 7 days, right from getting your website, your CRM, a lot of cool features and functionalities that have been added to DMOS. And yet the end goal is to keep it super simple for you to be able to implement. So there's going to be no new theories, no new concepts, no new traffic sources, no new pricing strategies. It's hardcore going to be about technology. And hopefully by the end of 7 days, you've got something that you did not have before. You've got something that you believe, you trust, that works. And more importantly, is going to make your customers' job a lot easier to be doing business with you. So let's get started, guys. Nice to see you here, Amar and Shibu. As always, thank you for joining in. Dinesh, Somali, Sudhakar, you guys are super duper awesome. So let's go ahead and get started. Before we jump straight in, I'd really love some participation from you guys. So when I say the word online business, when I say the word doing, or I say the sentence doing business online, tell me some words that come to your mind. Like, what are you actually thinking when someone says, I am doing business online, or I run an online business? Let me know in the chat. Hey, Amar, good to have you over here. What are the few keywords, what are the few buzzwords that come to your mind? So Dinesh says, Shibu says, sell online, scaling, e-commerce, coaching, visibility, lead generation, CRM, community. We've got e-commerce, we've got social media marketing, we've got digital marketing, travel businesses, affiliate marketing, digital marketing. What else? Let's just dive a little deeper. I know there's a lot that goes into an online business. Now, Dinesh says, business that works 24/7. I love that. Arshad says, website design, very core foundation. Training and coaching, virtual assistant, automation, digital products, automations, web-enabled businesses, online advertising, Instagram, money, I like that. Video editing, fantastic. Something that brings money even while you sleep. Very true. Business on the internet is 24/7. Super. So I'm glad to see that we are definitely vibing, all of us. MSI, a management system information, very, very accurate, very true. End-to-end business tracked via KPI metrics. Oh, you guys are awesome. So that is good. we all have like a good foundation. We have a good fundamental of what an online business is. My kind of definition is that any business that depends on the internet to make money. So you might even be like an offline store, you might be a shop, and you might have a QR code, right? I'm classifying that even as an online business because the payment is happening online. So the payment is happening online if you are collecting leads online, if you're selling online, if you're giving information online, all that good stuff. That's what we're classifying as, a kind of a broad definition of what an online business is. Super. So glad that you guys can see. So that's my background here in Goa. And if I was able to zoom in a bit, you'll see there's a beautiful river, the Mandovi River over there. So I love getting up and checking out the scene. And for the last 6 months, I've been waking up and dedicating at least 2 hours a day, in most cases, a lot more, in taking all these concepts, everything that you've just said, when it comes to building an online business on the internet and putting that together based on feedback, based on a lot of customers and stuff like that. So typically when I'm not coaching, when I'm not doing morning sessions or webinars or, sales or joint ventures with, the information space, the coaching space, at that time, we are doing a lot of agency work. We are working with customers, real time. People are paying us agency fees, and then we help them with their websites. We help them with getting set up. We help them with whatever they're doing, whether they're coaches, whether they're consultants, whether they want to collect leads. We do all that kind of stuff as an agency. And we've got a lot of freelancers. We have a lot of freelancers that we're connected with, a lot of gig workers that we're connected with that jump in, execute the project, make sure everything's happening and stuff like that. The reason I mentioned that is just to let you know that we are like really, really, really tuned in to actual businesses that exist today. So none of what I'm going to show you is like I said, a theory. Is going to be technical. So we have about 20 minutes left of day one. If you guys are ready, just type in BIO and we'll jump straight in. First, I'll give you a demo. And let us do a demo for Somali. We'll do a demo for Somali right now. And then, like I've promised, the first 5 people who commented in the WhatsApp group, I'm going to help you build your entire business. But first, let's pay like 100% attention. It's 7:10. We're going to try and go through this so that you understand, so that you can follow along. And I'm also going to give you like a recording. We'll upload it. I'll show you where we'll upload it so that you can just watch this video. You can watch this video, and I'm fairly confident, fingers crossed, of course, that this is a really, really smooth process, both for you and me, starting right now. So this is, ladies and gentlemen, digitalmarket.com. What we are going to be doing for you is I'm going to show you how you can sign up for a trial right now. The next step, this is like, it's a 27-step process. Each of these steps takes about like a minute or so. So sign up for a trial, and you receive your copy, you receive like access. Then you set up your information. You set up a temporary subdomain. This is important. You can call this your company's name. You can call this your name. Right now, just to keep things super duper simple, you'll be set up on our server. Once you're ready, once you say like, hey, I'm done, I'm live, I'm ready, we will push it over to you. We'll push it over to your domain name, and that's when you can kind of go live. So we go through this entire process. Let's get started right now. Let me open a brand new account. We'll try and keep this side by side so that I get an idea of what the next step is, and I'll share this sheet with you. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, let's go to digitalmarket.com. And just to kind of give you like a preview of what you can expect, I'm going to stop my video and let's take a quick look at this. All right, folks, so let me know what you think. That's kind of the overview. And now I'm going to show you how you can use this right away. Fantabulous. I like that. Cool. So what do you guys need to do? And for all of you over here, for all your support, and in order to, just say thanks for helping us along the way, get some direction of online business and stuff like that. I'm going to be giving you a coupon code. So let's go ahead and get started. So amazing businesses deserve amazing tools. And literally, we want to give you everything that you need. Sell your own courses, drag and drop website builder, your custom domain, like I said, live chat, question and forum support, track visitors, view analytics, some gamification, stuff like that. Looks like we've got a drone. Yeah, there we go. So lots of different stuff that we're going to walk you through. And essentially the way we are looking at pricing it is basically $1 a day. So that's $365 in a year. So $365 in a year, that works out to about $30,000 a year for DMOS. For those of you who've, of course, bought DMOS in the past, you are grandfathered in and consider this as probably the best thing that you could use for your online business. So I'm going to add this to the cart right now. And let me put in my promo code. You could either do this and it will make DMOS for our existing members complimentary. So let's go ahead and process this. And we're going to do an example for Somali. So I'll just say Gaurav. In the Goa. So let's go next. Let's confirm the order. And now we will just mark our progress as well, because I want you to see how you can do this like pretty much step by step. So we just signed up for the trial. So I'm going to mark that as done. Then we received a transaction copy. You can download this if you want. And let's put that also in done over here. And now we should receive our setup information. So you can log into your email. And here we'll have a message saying, it's come 0 minutes ago. Dear Gaurav Somali, welcome aboard. Go ahead and get set up. Create your subdomain. So I'm going to click on this. And then it says, choose your domain name. So I'll call this, this is just an example. You can, of course, change this later. Gaurav somali.digitalmarket.com. Let's select and continue. Just type in MS if this makes sense so far. You're with me. Digitalmarket.com. Add the product to your cart. Use the coupon code to check out. Receive an email. Click on that email. Choose a subdomain where it shows gauravsomali.com. And then you go back to your email over here. And it says, welcome your login details. So I'm going to just say that I've done set up my subdomain. I'll receive my setup information. And now I need to set a password over here. So I'm going to click on this link. And now I need to add in a password. Sign up. Yeah, so now once you are signed up, you'll have a subdomain called gauravsomali.digitalmarket.com. And this is the main menu, okay? This is absolutely the main menu over here. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to go to my settings. And I've set my admin password. So that's done. I'm going to manage my company. So I'll call this over here Gaurav Somali temp. I'm going to say we are in India right now. And then your currency is going to change. Okay, so that's pretty important to set the right currency. So let's put that in. Oops. So I'm going to put in my company name over here. I've done that. And now I'm going to go ahead and do something super awesome, which is going to install the website, and it's 7:22 right now. It's going to take a second, but what this is going to do, hopefully, is rather spectacular. So are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Check this out. Let's go ahead and build you a perfect website. So here are some options. I want to build a business website, an online store, a blog, an event, or an e-learning platform. So for right now, let's just say a business website. And I was going to ask you for what type of business, okay? So you can put in, say, I'm an interior designer over here, or internet service provider. You can say I'm a fitness center, fitness equipment, fitted, whatever you are, non-profit. Okay, so let's put in interior over here, interior designer. And my main objective is to get leads, to develop the brand, to help you sell more, to inform customers, to schedule appointments. Let's say to sell more. Now it's going to help me choose like a different color palette, something pre-built, which is scientifically proven to be appealing, or I can take my existing logo. Let's search for logo. I can take my existing logo. And then what it's going to do using artificial intelligence is going to pick up the most appropriate colors for the website. Now, this is truly where the magic happens. This is like where the magic happens is you can choose your page and features. So say you want an about us page, you want a services page, you want a pricing page, you want to put a privacy policy page, you want to put an e-commerce shop, you want to like publish jobs, you want to do events online, you might want a forum online, you might want a live chat online, you might want e-learning online, you'll want all these things on your website. And let's go ahead and hit build my website. And now, ladies and gentlemen, while this loads in the background, it's going to take approximately 3 minutes. But I think this is going to be the most valuable 3 minutes of waiting, because what's happening right now is your entire website, based on your colors, based on your business, whether you're an interior designer, whether you're a digital marketing freelancer, whether you have a manufacturing business, whether you're a coach, consultant, whoever you are, automatically using artificial intelligence, DMOS is going to be building you a website. So let's see where we're at. It's got a couple of minutes left, but what I can tell you is you will be pleasantly surprised. You'll probably even be delighted. You might be shocked. You might be flabbergasted. But what this is doing on our servers right now is like, I've never seen something like this before. So let's hype that up a bit more, because it is just so totally worth it, that we will see very shortly. I think we are done. And while we were chit-chatting, while I was just making up some imaginary words, the website, ladies and gentlemen, has been built. It's been built. Let's go ahead and save this. And I'll show you that we've got a website that's kind of been set up, and it's got pretty much everything that you will need in order to continue building your business. So we'll start backwards with the contact us page. And we conducted some feedback saying that even people who do have websites, in most cases, the contact us page is not even configured. They're not even receiving the emails. So you can start with that, and then you can have like a sample pricing page, your packages, your services, in case you're offering like specific services. Here you can see it's going to pick up pictures relevant to your industry. It's going to pick up testimonials. It's going to help build everything. And I'll show you for you WordPress fans, I'll show you how this is like much easier than you could possibly have even dreamt of in terms of editing. But before that, I know that we have a lot of people who wanted courses. So let's see how we can build a course in say 3 minutes or so. And I'll show you that this is going to be really pretty good of in comparison with Teachable, in comparison with all these other pay-as-you-go software. So let's go ahead, add a course right now. And we got some built-in gamification. So register to the platform, complete your profile, complete a course, get some points. As of now, we've got no courses. It's 7:28. Let's go ahead, build a new course. And you've got like a lot of help along the way. So let's call this interior design for newbies. Let's create it. And now let's add some content to this course. Say we want to add a video. Just go pick up a YouTube link really quick. Say we want to add this video. Come paste the link. These can be unlisted videos on YouTube. And then you can just come save and publish. That's done. Say you want to add another video. Let's go back to YouTube. Take this video and let's paste that in here. It's going to pick that up, save and publish. And now I'm going to go ahead and simply publish my e-commerce course. You know, you can add sections, you can add different kind of formats, you can add PDFs and stuff like that. But just for simplicity, now let's go back home over here. Let's hit on edit. Interior designing. Interior designing courses. Let's now show you the real magic and say we want to add in a team, the team of expert interior designers. I'm sorry, I couldn't hear that right now. Guys, just checking if you can hear me, okay? Just let me know in the chat. Okay, super. So then what we're going to do next is, so you add this. Now say you want to add a team, you've added a team. You want to add a media list, a blog post, you can add that. You want to add, say a Google map, you can add a Google map. You want to add a form, you can add a form. You want to add in, say, a separator between this, you can add a separator. Add a timeline. Add some columns. If you don't want the columns, then you can just come and close them. 1, 2, 3. And then hit save. And now we will log out as well. And this is your URL. And here if you click on courses, you'll see that your course is created. It's 11 hours, 5 minutes. And here the course is there. If you to sign in, oops. So I just shared the details, and here we go. So you got the home page. Then you got the events. You can go ahead and create an event as well. You can add Vimeo as well. You can add Vimeo as well. So let's see what all we've done so far. So we signed up for a trial. We chose a color palette. We uploaded a logo. We ran the website configurator. We set up our first course. We've created a services page. Yeah, we've created packages. We created a contact us page, uploaded the logo. And now we have to schedule online events. We have to enable live chat, set up invoicing, set up upcoming events, configure your newsletter, set up your CRM, set up meetings, send a quotation, confirm orders with your clients, create your projects, finalize your website content, accounting best practices. I'll show you how you can do a test checkout. And then eventually you want to basically test your entire website, your home, your shop, your events, courses, services, pricing, about us, contact us, your sign-in, your page speed, your live chat, your invoicing. But let me know in the chat what you think of the website configurator so far. It's 7:34 right now, so I don't want to keep you waiting too much longer. Now imagine this in a matter of like 5 minutes or 6 minutes. Of course, you have pop-up newsletter capture, all that stuff. I'll give you a glimpse as to like this was like just 5 minutes or 10 minutes of DMOS, the backend, but I'll show you behind the scene. I'll show you what like I'm currently using right now. So you get a glimpse of what you can expect. As you can imagine, like this entire project manager, this entire experiment that we're doing is also built on DMOS. So you're going to get your project management done for you, like really, really awesomely done. And like right now, the goal, okay, the entire goal of the Digital Market Festival is to help you build a consistent brand, build you a fully functional business website, a built-in learning management system and LMS, build your community using events similar to this, check out ready pages so that you can start selling like right away, a professional and easy CRM that you can use, customizable project management. So something like this, you know, today we were done with about these 13 tasks. We have 14 to go. So we are exactly in the midpoint right now. And you're going to be able to create something like this for yourself, depending on your business. And yeah, bottom line is make more sales. So while the website builder is kind of the first function, the first feature that we want you to make use of, it's literally the tip of the iceberg. What I mean by that is right now we are currently managing, let me show you. So we're currently managing 68 projects right now. And these are like digital marketing projects, like I mentioned to you earlier, websites and stuff like that. So I'll just give you like a background as to how this project management system is currently working. And when you're working with teams, you're working with different graphic designers, different logos, different videos. Someone's doing SEO, someone's doing PPC, someone's building websites. You've got your customers. Email simply does not work. WhatsApp simply does not work. So we've been using this project management system for like about 60 customers right now. And it's been a beautiful, beautiful journey. It's been an amazing experience to work with them. We've seen that we are able to deliver things faster. We've seen like we're getting better reviews from most customers. So this is something that is also built into DMOS. Project management, we've got website, we've got e-learning, email marketing, SMS marketing, events, surveys. So this is kind of like what the full-blown backend would look like once you make progress. And you can go ahead, book an appointment. If you are not booking appointments, then you might be missing out. You might be missing out. So you can just come simply, someone else, this is now like on your website, someone else can come and say, help me set up DMOS, choose a time that's available, confirm booking. So of course you need to log in first. Here, I'd recommend you go through our course as well, like on how to set up. So here we've got like a video again. This is what I'd recommend you watch today, because it goes through everything that I showed you, but in more detail. How to set up your invoice, how to set up your business accounts, how to set up your courses, how to set up your shop, how to set up your jobs. Like we are hiring right now as well. So we've got like 3 positions that we're hiring for. And this has become like super awesome, like for people to even just come and make an application on our website. Like it's going straight into CRM. So that's what we are kind of using it for right now. So take a look at Digital Market. You've got your email newsletter. So thanks for subscribing. You've got your products over here. And essentially like our goal, something that we wanted to be is forgetting all about your single purpose software. While like ConvertKit is awesome, while Zapier is awesome, while Teachable is awesome, while WordPress is also awesome in some ways, it's going to go crazy. It's going to go crazy how much you're going to keep on like looking from here and there. So we've partnered with companies like Odoo. We've partnered with companies like Webkul. A lot of this has been community sourced as well to build a really robust software that you can use for yourself. Now imagine like if you're like an agency, if you're a freelancer, imagine setting up like a website like this where you've got your events. So we had put this up as well, 7 to 7:45 a.m. We had invited like a few people for this. So we had made this, you can make this like a paid event, you can make it a free event. So this is what you can do. This is all built on Digital Market. This is all built on DMOS. And now we'll just see if we got some questions for you. Can a blog be added? Of course, a blog can be added to this. You can simply just go and see where we are. Let's do that. Let's sign in over here. So here you can see how many appointments are pending, how many upcoming appointments are there. I'll go to my website for now. Go to website. So here I can just add a new, say I want to add a new blog post. Click on that. And let's say we are finally live. Yes, after 183 failed attempts. We got it right. Here we go. Thanks to our supporting community. So started on WordPress, set up marketplace, launched digital marketing tools, now full blown digital market operating suite. DMOS is live. So then let's go back, add a banner over here. DMOS. And then we can add a, say, we want to put in, let's see what we got here. Newsletter, newsletter pop. Capture me. Let's change the gradient. Change the image. Save this. And here you can see that we have a blog. You can simply just go ahead, hit publish. News captures come on as well. And there is a blog that is set up for you. All right, guys. So let me know what you think of the demo so far. Don't want to go over time. We had planned for it to be 45 minutes. And we are coming close to the end now. So if you guys think that this is valuable, and if you think that you see the trends moving away from standalone applications, you see the trend moving away from WordPress to something that you can just like chill out in 15 minutes, in 20 minutes, do this for yourself, do this for your clients in like literally one sitting. So you guys can watch the 30-minute video on digitalmarket.com. And I've already recorded this, setting up your CRM, setting up your e-commerce, setting up your courses, setting up your invoicing, your accounting, your calendar. So watch that video. Check out the website builder as well. Use the coupon code, set up your subdomains. Once you're done with that, we will be able to push you onto a new custom domain. But if you guys want a extra bonus, if you want to add a extra bonus, if you want to add a extra bonus, just type in bonus into our WhatsApp group. Okay, type in bonus into our WhatsApp group. And I want to tell you something that nobody is talking about. And the reason they are not talking about it is very simple, is because they are making affiliate commissions by telling you about this stuff, or simply they just don't know about this. I'm going to show you a way to legally, but you have to type in bonus because I'm going to direct message you the link, okay, in the group. I'm going to show you. But before that, like I asked you guys to describe online businesses. Before that, what are the common expenses that you have? Like, what are the common expenses that you have on a monthly basis? Like, what are you paying for, like month on month? Online expenses, autoresponders, so internet, email marketing, Calendly. Something that I'm sure that you are paying for. Abhinav is right. It's website hosting, right? Website hosting is definitely a cost. Did you know that the bonus that I'm going to be sharing just with you guys, 19 of you online, is, ladies and gentlemen, a 1,000 US dollar code for Amazon hosting AWS. Imagine being hosted on Amazon for 2 years for free. 2 years for free. I'm going to show you how I did it. Let me just like quickly see if I can show you. And you can do it completely legit, 100% completely legit. So we all like now you don't have to pay for anything, you don't have to pay for anything. Not even hosting, because Amazon, dude, and trust me, Amazon hosting is far better than anything else. Like it's, you can't even compare it to, Hostinger and all that stuff. Like with all due respect, it's just like a different league altogether. So with DMOS, you're gonna get like a $1,000 coupon, 1,000 US dollar coupon code, ladies and gentlemen, from Amazon. So currently we are hosting about 200 websites, test websites, trial websites, client websites, projects and stuff. Okay, so since this is the first, let's take a look at, this is the first. Happy first, everyone. Info. Or just change this to last month. Viewable. Well, June. All right. So June, you can see our bill was 0 is because of credits. So we got $1,250 in credit. We've used about $186 from it. So now at least for the next 2 years, we are sorted. So we got a nice coupon code. So we got about $800 left, amount remaining about $800 left for the year. So when we end, this festival, hopefully you've got $1,000 worth of AWS credit that you can use for your hosting. You can migrate over there. You can put your clients' websites over there. It's super duper secure. And I hope that this was a great start to the Digital Market Festival. And after 2 years, it'll be like a normal hosting provider. After that, it'll be like a normal hosting provider thingy. So hope you guys enjoyed the first day of the Digital Market Festival. The daughter's here. And we'll be back live tomorrow at 7 a.m. We'll do it after 7 a.m. We'll go live at 7 a.m. and take it step by step. I hope you guys got value, and this like completely changes everything. It completely changes everything right now, ground up, from hosting to WordPress to expensive plugins, premium plugins, themes that don't work, slow loading websites, malware, all that stuff that is a reality of working with WordPress. It's a reality of these hosting providers right now. You're going to be able to use DMOS, get set up, build your e-commerce. We'll show you how you can collect payments, how you can do your project management to another level, your CRM. If you want a glimpse, if you want to jump ahead, if you're excited, you can watch the pre-recorded video on the course that we've put out on digitalmarket.com. The task sheet will be shared with you like once you sign up with an account with us. You'll be getting access to this, so you know step by step what needs to be done. Also, you can go ahead and watch the video if you want to jump in further. So that's day one, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks a lot for joining in. We're going to be ending right now, and look forward to seeing you guys back at 7 a.m. 2nd of July. Should you use the same email ID to sign up again? What I would do is if you have like a new email ID, I would use that because this everything is going to start coming to this. Your live chats, your emails, your blogs, everything you can create to a new account. Like how I did, if you have a Gmail account, you can simply use the plus icon. But I think it'll be worth it to have a brand new account for your business. You can just call it something July 2022 at gmail.com and start afresh. Get everything ready. And we'll be pushing this over to your domain name over the course of the next 7 days. That's when you can update it to your original email account. If you already signed up with us, we can just delete that or update it in such a way that you can use your main ID account. All right, folks, thanks for joining in. Signing off for now. It's been a pleasure having you guys back at 7 a.m. And we will see you guys later. Signing. This has been Gaurav Gurbaksani.
Today is Friday.
It is Friday.
You got the Crazy Paul Janet truck. How come you also got a truck?
For his truck broke.
Right.